Welcome to Grablo. In this tutorial, we'll turn your camera into a smart AI watchdog that doesn't just detect people, but actually understands what's happening on screen and sends an LLM-described alert straight to your phone the moment something suspicious unfolds. Let's get started. Create a new project and give it a name. This project works on any Grablo device, so select all devices. Let's start by building the control that kicks off person detection. Since the AI only needs to start once when the project launches, add a once type condition. Then add an AI analysis action. Create a new AI analyzer, then add a new camera. Grablo supports a wide range of camera types, from older analog CCTVs to modern network cameras. Pick the type that matches yours and enter the connection details. Select the camera you just created, and for the AI model, choose Object Detection. Then pick a mode based on your device hardware. Now select the AI Analyzer. Set the command to add analysis, the type to specific object detected, and the object to person. Create a variable to store the detection result and assign it. Duplicate this action and change the command to start analysis to actually kick off the AI. Now let's build the suspicious activity alert. When a person stays in view for more than 3 seconds at night, we'll grab a camera snapshot, hand it to an LLM, and let it judge whether the scene is suspicious enough to be worth your attention. Add a compare condition and select the person detected variable. Set the operator to equal, the value to true, then turn on the hold time option and set it to 3 seconds. Next, add a time range condition and set it to your desired nighttime hours. To capture the image we'll send to the LLM, add a camera action and select the camera we created. Change the command to capture and set the file path for the snapshot. You can browse the device folders directly or type the path in yourself. Copy that path. We'll need it in a moment. Next, add an LLM AI query action and create a new LLM AI. For this example, we'll use Google Gemini, which offers a free tier with no credit card required. Pick the model you'd like to use, then generate a new API key from Google AI Studio and paste it into Grablo. Don't worry, your API key is encrypted and stored securely on your own device. Select the LLM AI you just created and write your prompt. In this example, we ask the LLM to describe what's happening in a short sentence under 30 characters whenever it spots anything suspicious, and to simply reply normal otherwise. Click Attachment and paste the capture path you copied earlier into the local path field. Then create a variable to store the LLM's response and assign it. Now let's add the control that sends the push notification. Add a new control underneath. We only want to alert when the LLM flags something, so add a compare condition. Select the LLM response variable, set the operator to not equal, and the value to normal. Finally, add a push notification action. Enter a title, and for the message, select the LLM response variable so the alert tells you exactly what was spotted. For the attachment, reuse the captured image. The logic is done, so let's build the dashboard. Add a camera widget and resize it as needed. Then add a value widget and bind it to the LLM response variable so you can see the latest description at a glance. All right, everything's ready. Click the Run button to launch it. When someone lingers in front of the camera for more than 3 seconds at night, Grablo sends the snapshot to the LLM. If the scene looks suspicious, the LLM replies with a short description of what's going on and keeps reanalyzing as long as the person stays in view. At the same time, you'll get a push notification on your phone with the captured image attached. Tap the notification to jump straight into the live camera stream. Pretty easy, right? With just a handful of blocks, your camera is now an AI watchdog that doesn't just see motion. It understands what it's looking at and only bothers you when it really matters. Congratulations! You've successfully built your Grablo project. Ready to explore more? Check the links for tutorials and support. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating with Grablo.